guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. We're located in Holland, Michigan, so if you're local or visiting our town, please feel free to stop at our office, look at our yarns and buy some. So today I will be showing you how to make a moon pillow. This pillow is hand knitted. This one is our sparkly white with silver sparkles, and I will show you how to make it in the shape of the moon. So the original pillow had a little bit bigger part over here. Then I actually made it a little bit smaller, which is more convenient, I think. And today I will show you how to make it in a smaller way. If you want to make it bigger over here, you will just need to add extra rows over here. Just follow my video, and then when we are done over here on the sides, keep knitting here for a few more rows. So this pillow is really good to use as a neck pillow. It's very soft and comfy. You can use it on the airplane or home. It's up to you, but it's very cute to just throw on the couch also. So you can get this yarn BeCozi.net, and if you have it, let's get started.